Have you recently given birth to a baby and you're so tired and sleep deprived that you no longer know whether you're coming or going? Perhaps you started to feel that you can relate to the praying mantis because you started to eat your partner/husband's brain with the teaspoon. Are you looking at yourself in the mirror and thinking, who is this person? I will never have my life back? Well, if that's the case, then keep on watching. I'm going to share with you how you can achieve this daytime glam look for busy moms. Before I'm going to continue with the video, I would like to highlight two particular products that have been with me throughout thick and thin. I have been using them for a decade plus, and they are always active participants in my quick makeup looks. And these products are these eyeshadows from Chanel, and this is the New Moon, and this one is the foundation Air Flash Dior number 100. So these guys are the constant and active participants of my quick makeup. When it comes to this foundation, you definitely should know how to apply it, and I do have a special method how I do it without messing out my outfit and everything around me, so keep on watching. This foundation is capable of fooling just anybody. If you're tired, if you're sleep deprived, if you have been sick and you're looking rough, if you're late and you don't have the time, this is a perfect pick-me-up and make me gorgeous in a minute. And this is exactly what it does. It will fool anybody that you are just got it and you know how to handle it. When it comes to these eyeshadows, they are also great. You can apply these eyeshadows with your fingers and you don't have to be precise whatsoever. This is the application of my eyeshadows with my fingers. They are also very forgiving. They give you enough glamour and it is perfectly adequate for daytime look, and it gives the impression that you can handle anything. Newborn, sleep deprivation, it's okay. I know what I'm doing. So these guys are the ones that I'm always referring to. And now that I gave them an honorable mention, I would like to move on and actually apply the makeup. So here I am ready for my makeup application. We only have 5 minutes, so it has to be quick, but because I'm going to be doing a little bit of talking, so it will take longer. However, I assure you, this has been tested and dry run by me so many times, it's not even funny. As I did mention in my intro, this is the foundation that has been with me for decades plus, and this had helped me to go through so many sleepless nights and genuinely stressful time, and this helped me look flawless. On the back of the packaging, it does have a suggestion that you have to shake it very well, which I have done off camera, so you don't have to listen to that. But this foundation also can ruin your clothes and everything that's around you. So over the years, I have developed my own personal method how to apply this foundation whilst being completely dressed and quickly to complete the task. So what I do, I just cup my palm or hand, whatever, and I'm just spritzing foundation on my palm, and this is what I get, and then I just do this. This should be more than enough to cover my entire face, and also this is not messy. The end result, it was very easy to achieve, and also you can do this in the car. Just make sure you bring your beauty blender in the Ziploc bag and just do it in the car. It's quick, really quick. So whilst my foundation is sinking in, I do need a little bit of concealer because I am one tired mama. Well, I was anyway. So today I'm going to be using this one from Pat McGrath. I have it in the shade L2. By the way, when it comes to the Air Flash, I have it in the shade 100, so this is the lightest shade that they have. So quickly applying a little bit of a concealer, just a little bit. This concealer from Pat McGrath is extremely pigmented. This will hide not just your dark circles but your bad credit for sure. One of the best things about this concealer that it does not have to be set with any powder, at least under my eyes, because I am super duper dry. So now that I have that ready, I will need to use a little bit of a primer for my eyelids due to the fact that I have extremely hooded eyes, so any primer will do. I'm gonna use NARS. Just a little bit just enough. As eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using this one, New Moon from Chanel. This is the second item that I was referring to that has been with me over the years. It's not the same pot though, but the same product. This could be a daytime look, nighttime look, easy all day long look. So what you do is just get a little bit of a shadows on your eyelid. Sorry, you get a little bit of an eyeshadow on your finger and just tap it. And you could apply it until the cows come home. So achieve the intensity that you desire. Most time that I have, which is 5 minutes today, normally it's like 3 minutes, I am dedicating to makeup of my eyes. I'm using this applicator from Tom Ford eyeshadows, but you can use any applicator just to add a little bit of eyeshadows on my lower lash line. Next thing I'm going to do is use this MAC eyeliner. It is white, and just applying this eye pencil here so I appear to be more awake. Now that my eyes are almost done, I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara. As I probably did say earlier, the main bulk of my time I dedicate to my eye makeup because the rest of the face is technically done, and I'll show you what I mean. So I'm going to be using a little bit of a blush from Giorgio Armani. I'm just placing it here on the side, just a little bit, and then I am patting it just to get myself a little color. And then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use this dual highlighter bronzer from Chanel. This is what it looks like. I have it in the shade Claire. It says here that it is bronzer and illuminator. It looks a little mess, but that's because it is well and truly loved. So I'm going to get my MAC brush, and I'm just going to give it a jolly good swirl and apply. So as you probably can see, there's a bit of a highlighting business going on, and there is also a bronzer. I love this product. I think it is brilliant. Last but not least is going to be the lipstick. For today's lipstick, I would like to use this one from YSL. This is the Lip Stain Tatouage Couture Matte Satin Lipstick. I love these lipsticks, and also they are so long lasting and they don't feel like anything on your lips. So this is the end results for today's makeup application. I assure you this takes 5 minutes. I did practice it so many times. This had been tested and tried by me personally for years when it comes to this and putting this all together. Very easy breezy. In fact, all of these products that I just mentioned can be used on the go in the car. All you need is just to make sure that you put the dampen beauty blender in a Ziploc bag and just bring it with you and do it all in the car. It's extremely easy to achieve, and it's very fast, and you mainly use your fingers. And most of the products, as I said, are drifters. You can easily replace them, but these two I love, and I always will continue buying. I'm glad that they are permanent products. I would like to highlight the fact that these two products have been with me for a long time, and they're so easy to use on the go. Please, if you have not tried them before, try them. And yeah, so I think this looks glamorous at the same time, perfectly suited for daytime, and you will appear that you have it all together. You know what you're doing, you're not tired, and life is a breeze, especially if you do have that baby. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about this video. Join me on my Instagram, and I'll see you in my next one. But for now, it's bye-bye.